Hi everyone, my name is Ramesh 21951A04 F 0 of branch ECB section. In this presentation, I am going to talk about protect your intellectual property, that is IP. The subtopic is safeguarding your innovations and ideas. So, introduction to intellectual property IP. What is intellectual property IP? So, refers to creations of the mind, such as inventions, designs, and artistic works, includes patents, copyrights, trademarks, and trade secrets, provides legal rights and protections to creators, encourages innovations and creativity by granting exclusive control. Intellectual property is a valuable asset for business and individuals. So, why protect your intellectual property? Importance of intellectual property. Protecting intellectual property. So prevent unauthorized use, copying, or theft of our creations. Helps maintain competitive advantage in market. Ensures legal ownership and control over our ideas. Enhances brand recognition and business reputation. Can generate revenue through licensing or selling rights. So, types of intellectual properties. Common types of intellectual properties are patents, patents, products, inventions, and technical innovations. Copyrights, safeguards artistic works like books, music, and software. Trademarks, trademarks, products, brand, identifiers like logo, names, and slogans. Trade secrets, products, confidential business information like formulas and processes. Each type of intellectual property offers different levels of protection and benefits. Patents. What is a patent? A legal right granted for for an invention or innovation. Provides exclusive rights to use, sell, or license the invention. Protects products, process, or technologies that are new and useful. Typically last 20 years from the filing date. Requires detailed public disclosure of the invention. Copyrights. What is copyright? Products original works from or original works of authorship like literary, musical, and artistic. Grants the creator exclusive rights to reproduce, distribute, and display their work. Automatic production upon creation, no registration required through recommended. Lasts the creator's lifetime plus 70 years for most works. Includes rights to derivative works such as adaptations and translations. Trademarks. What is a trademark? Product words, names, symbol, or design used to identify and distinguish goods or services. Builds brand recognition and trust with consumers. Must be unique and not cause confusion with other trademarks. Can be renewed indefinitely as long as the mark remains in use. Important for brand identity and business reputation. Trade secret. What is a trade secret? Protects confidential business information that gives a company a competitive edge. Includes formulas, process, customer list, marketing strategies. No formal registration required, but requires proper measures to maintain secrecy. Loss of secrecy results in loss of protection, common in industries where innovation evolves rapidly, like such as tech, technology, food, and chemicals. So, how to protect our patents? Steps to safeguard patents: file a patent application, that is, submit a detailed application to our country's patent office. Perform patent searches, ensure our invention is unique and non obvious. Maintain our patent, pay renewal fees, and meet legal requirements. Enforce patent rights, monitor for infringement, and take legal action if necessary. Consider international patents, means file through systems like PCT for global protection. How to protect our copyrights? Steps to safeguard copyrights: register our work, means through automatic registration provides stronger legal protection. Use copyright notices, which indicates that our work is protected with the symbols like this C, author's name, and date. Control usage. License our work for reproduction or distribution. Monitor for infringement. Regularly check our authorized use of our work. Enforce rights. Use legal action to prevent piracy or plagiarism. How to protect our trademarks? Steps to safeguard trademarks: register our trademark, means file the country's trademark office for legal protection. Monitor our brand, so watch for other businesses using similar logos or names. Renew regularly, so ensure our trademark remains active by renewing its periodically. Use that is TM trademark or R symbols. So TM for unregistered marks, are this symbol for registered trademarks. So protect a brand reputation. Maintain consistent use of our trademark across platforms. Next, how to protect trade secrets. Steps to safeguard trade secrets: implement confidentiality agreements, requires employees and partners to sign NDAs. Limit access, restrict access to sensitive information within our organization. Use secure systems which stores confidential information in secure encrypted systems. And educate employees, ensure staff understands the importance of protecting trade secrets. And monitor and audit, regularly check for any leaks or breaches of confidentiality. And strategies for protecting intellectual property online. Protecting intellectual property in digital world: use digital rights management, that is DRM, which prevent unauthorized distribution of digital content. Monitor online platforms, look for copyright or trademark infringement on websites and social media. So watermark digital content. Use watermarks to identify ownership of images, videos, and documents. Enforce website terms. So ensure users understand our terms of services regarding intellectual property. Partnership with enforcement agencies. Collaborate with platforms like DMCA or takedown services. Intellectual property licensing and selling. Monetizing our intellectual property. License agreements which means grant others permission to use our intellectual property in exchange for royalties. Sell our intellectual property. Transfer ownership rights to another party for a lump sum or ongoing revenue. Franchise our brand. License our trademark and business model to franchises. Collaborations and joint ventures. Partners with other companies to leverage intellectual property for mutual benefit. Monitoring licensing agreements. Ensure licenses are using our intellectual property according to the agreements. Common intellectual property infringement challenges. Challenges in protecting intellectual property. Counterfeiting, fake goods using our trademarks or logos. Piracy means unauthorized copying and distribution of digital content. Patent infringement. Competitors using our patented inventions without permission. Trademark dilution. Overuse of trademarks leading to loss of distinctiveness. Global enforcement issues. Different laws in different countries make enforcement difficult. How to enforce our intellectual property rights? Enforcing our intellectual property rights. Monitoring and detect infringements. Use intellectual property monitoring services or in house teams. Send cease and desist letters. So warn infringers to stop using our intellectual property. File legal claims. Use civil lawsuits or arbitration to enforce our rights. Collaborate with the authorities. Work with customs, law enforcement, or intellectual property agencies. Consider alternative dispute resolution, that is ADR. Use mediation or use mediation or arbitration to resolve disputes. Conclusion. So, recap of protecting our intellectual property. Intellectual property is essential for safeguarding innovations and creativity. Different types of intellectual properties like patents, copyrights, trademarks, and trade secrets offer tailored protections. Use a combination of legal strategies and technology to protect and enforce our rights. Effective intellectual property management can generate revenue and enhance brand value. Regularly monitoring and enforcement are key to maintaining control over our intellectual property. Thank you.